happened? Why so irritated?
My window AC screams as if it's party time, not sleep time. And that too every night.
That's why I told you to install LG window AC. Just shh and listen.
Wow, that's amazing. But how come it's possible in a window AC? Haven't heard about this before.
Exactly. So this is India's first window air conditioner with dual inverter technology, which ensures faster cooling
at one of the lowest sound levels.
It operates at a noise level of only 44 decibels. That's even less than the sound of our conversation. Would you believe that?
I'm already in for believing everything about this AC. But yeah, go on. Tell me.
So it's just 4 decibels more than the noise level that is in a library.
Wow, I'm already in love with this super silent AC. LG Dual Cool Air Conditioner.
Life's good.